Welcome back to the LNC Painter YouTube channel. In today's video, we have a very exciting car in our spray booth today. It's a Porsche GT3RS. Beautiful sharp blue paint job. It's got a couple carbon fiber goodies, center lock wheels painted in a purple matte finish. But we are gonna do something different with those wheels, so stay tuned. But for now, we're gonna get to the car. As you can see, this beauty is in the spray booth, ready to rock. I just gotta mask it up and we'll be ready to spray. So the fender's off the car because we're gonna, why is it off the car? It had a little repair and we just wanna get paint all the way up inside so there's no seams. Let's throw the plastic over it, mask it up. I am gonna do sealer on all these parts. I'm not gonna apply sealer here because we just had a small repair and this is all original paint. So I'm just gonna blend the paint on this side, clear coat the rest. As for these three pieces, I'm just gonna paint them complete, seal them complete, paint them complete, and make it look just like new. So let's not waste any time and get right to it. Let's go. Alright, so I masked up the Porsche for now. I'm gonna leave it masked up and I'm gonna seal all these parts. That way we're not gonna get any unwanted overspray from the sealer on the car. And then once I seal the parts, it gives me perfect time to unmask this car, have the sealer dry. It takes about 15 minutes before I can apply my base coat. So while I'm unmasking the rest of the quarter, all these parts will dry. I got my gray shade sealer mixed up. Let's rock and roll. My sealer is applied and it's dry, looking very nice, super smooth, super clean. And while that dried, I cut away the quarter piece that we're gonna paint. This is what it looks like. So we're just gonna do the entire section, top and bottom, and then we're just gonna apply some base coat right here and a little bit right here too, because there are some super minor scuffs. But yeah, so we'll just clear the rest of it. We're not gonna put any base coat. I might put a little base coat there just because the rocker panel on the bottom always gets chipped from rocks chips. Same over there. Everything else looks good. Let's do our base coat. I got it mixed up. What was it? That's the color code. So on Porsches, the color code is actually on the rear body panel. So right there, D5C. That's the color code for this Porsche, and D5C is a sharp blue color. So that's what I got right here. Full cup. Let's get ready to rumble. This is our Porsche GT3RS with 2 coats of base and ready for clear coat. Let's check it out. Everything is looking very, very beautiful, very, very clean. Our paint matches perfectly, blends out beautifully. Here's our fender. I let the second coat of base dry fully. Give it about 30 minutes before I apply my clear coat, just to make sure it's fully cured and ready for that glossy level clear coat. Front bumper. I got a nice little table here. Toe cap. I always paint my toe caps off the bumper just so we can get the paint inside. Porsche is ready to go. I got my clear coat getting mixed up. I already poured it out. Excuse the mess, it's been a very busy week, so didn't have time to clean, but I'll get to it, guys. Don't judge. And by the way, loving the new E7 Pro standing desk from FlexiSpot. This thing goes up and then it goes down to whatever level you want. This thing is stable. I can sit on it, mixing our clear, nothing gets tipped over, nothing gets spilled. Very nice investment if you guys are looking for a nice clean table. So big shout out to FlexiSpot for sending me this desk. And for clear coat, we're going to be using the EC530 Performance Clear Coat from PPG, Ordinary ECH 5075, and Reducer ECR 70, or this is 85 since it's very hot and humid. But got it mixed up. I'm gonna shake it up, mix it up, and we'll be ready to go. I'm gonna use my Iwata. I love this gun. I use my Segarra 4600 a lot of times too, but I have this Iwata dialed in and I can perfect the clear coat exactly how I want. So I'm going to go with Iwata today. I've been using this gun since day one. Enough of the talk, let's get to it. Let's get this clear coat mixed up, get in the booth and spray our 2 coats of clear and make this beautiful Porsche GT3 RS come back to life. Let's do it. The Porsche GT3RS is finally painted, clear coated, it's dry, and it's ready to rock and roll. Let's check it out, see how it came out. Boom, check it out. Got the rear bumper. Front bumper. Got the fender. And looking nice. And final piece, the car itself. Came out slick, super clean, nice beautiful blend. Had to mask the wings separately just so I can get under it. As you can see, this wing stretches pretty far back, but it's a lot of pain to take it apart, so had enough room to paint here, so everything looks beautiful. Excited to see this shark blue GT3RS assembled and on the road again.